In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Steam game icons are missing. Now, as you can see right here, I have Terraria, and if you don't see the icon on it, what you can do is head over to Steam, go to your library, and then find the game. Then what you want to do is you want to right click on it, manage, browse local files, and then click up here, not on these, but click up here and Control C to copy. Then go to the game on the desktop, right click, properties, web document, change icon, browse, click up here and Control V, press enter, and then in here you should see an executable file which will have the icon. So click on that and press open, and it will be put in here. Then simply choose OK, apply, and OK, and now you will have the icon. Now you can do this with any game on Steam. So let's say you choose this one, right click, manage, browse local files, and then copy this one, Control C, find it on your desktop, right click properties, web document, change icon, and then put it in there and select the file. Now that's basically how you do it, guys. It's really simple, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.